Here's a certified 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Welcome to a ride that is as spectacular as the scenery. Features include V6 engine, heated and ventilated bucket seats, streaming audio, configurable instrument gauges, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, external memory control, power sliding and tilting sunroof, auto dimming mirrors, and automatic transmission. Car and driver muses, we doubt they're given to popping celebratory champagne corks very often at Jeep headquarters in Auburn Hills, Michigan, but now just might be a good time. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
For service, selection, and value, choose Armory Garage. Stop in today and check us out. We are conveniently located at 926 Central Avenue in Albany, New York.